Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing some merry mail. I will link all of the channels down below. The first card is from Maka at Maka's home. She sent this handmade card and then she wrote me a note on the inside. Thank you, Maka. Happy holidays to you and your family. This next one, this is from Diana over at Diana Loves Colors. I will also link her channel down below. She sent this postcard. It's such a pretty card with this Santa and his reindeer, and she wrote me a note on the back. She also shared some ephemera pieces, some tickets, and this cute gingerbread girl was in this little pocket. Diana, thank you for that. Happy holidays to you and your family. I do have a couple more cards going out. I'm just really slow. I am getting them out. It's just very slow. The next surprise merry mail that I received in this flat rate envelope, this is from Gina over at Gina Loves to Craft. Let me take all this out of the envelope. Gina sent me this huge envelope of surprise goodies. Gina, thank you so much for sharing all of these goodies with me. It was not necessary, but it was so exciting to receive this package. And thank you so much. Your card has already been sent and hopefully you've already received it. The first thing that she sent me is this Christmas paper. There are a few different designs here. I love these darker tones. It's kind of more my style. This is my favorite vintage type. These gorgeous poinsettias and these Christmas trees and then this patchwork. So nice. Gina, thank you again for sharing all of this. This is going right into my Christmas stash. These were all 8.5 by 11, but she also sent this very generous stack of mostly 6 by 6, and it is a mixture of Christmas paper, which I absolutely love all of them, but then there's also these fun happy birthday ones, beach. Look at these postage stamps, these words. I love them. I'm probably going to cut all of those out. I love these beautiful papers. And I am going to sort through these and put them into where they belong in my supplies. Those little presents. So fun. So pretty. I love that color. Lots of super cute papers there. And then we have some really bright, fun, springy ones here. Those are little carrots. That's so cute. These will go into my Easter stash. And look at these little pets. That's adorable. This beautiful stack of papers. Love this vintage. Gina, thank you so much for sending these my way. I appreciate it so much. It's such a surprise. I wasn't expecting anything. Thank you so much. You also shared these super cute Hello Kitty stickers, and these are going to go right into my Hello Kitty stash. They are so fun. I love stickers. We have some, it looks like some chipboard stickers. These are the frames. This is from Pink Fresh, and she sent this Alta New stamp set, and this is so cute. This is the birthday balloon guy. How fun is that? She sent this die set, and it's gorgeous. This thing makes a plate stand. That is very unique and very cool. Thank you for sharing that die with me. This cross-stitch flower die. Look at how unique that die is. It looks like in this baggie there's some stickers. These are so cute. Little Hello Kitty stickers. Now I did send her Hello Kitty stuff, so hopefully I didn't send her stuff that she already had. These are great. Pink Fresh. This is some journaling bits. Looks like there's some tags and lots of fun stuff in there. We have some ephemera pieces in this one. So many fun goodies in there, right up my alley. Here we have some chipboard flair. These are so cute. I love that lemon. It's adorable. The heart, they're so cute. Another set. So fun with the house, the flower. Thank you so much. She also sent the stickle. This is the sea glass. And that's my stickles collection. We have these words from Alta New. Very nice. This is honeybee stamps. That is cute. This one is from Hero Arts, and this is Concord and Ninth. Really nice flower. She did send me a card, which I probably should have opened first. That's the card. Gina, thank you so much for sending these amazing goodies my way. It was so much appreciated and so exciting to receive such fun goodies. Thank you again. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday and a joyous new year. Bye, guys.